Good morning, students. Welcome, class 7th. Thought every morning is a fresh start. Wake up with a thankful heart. Let us start our question number 19 of exercise 13.2, page number 164. Question number 19. Use the following figure to find x and its supplement. Here are three angles and we have to find the value of x and its supplement. First of all, draw this figure on your notebook. Now start solution. These three are making straight line, so 5x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree straight line angles. Add it, 10x is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 180 degree by 10, x is equal to 18 degree. Now sum of supplementary angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum is 180 degree. Supplementary angle of 18 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 18 degree 162 degree. Answer. One answer value of x, other answer supplementary angle 162. Now question number 20. Question number 20, first part, from the figure find the value of PQR. A part, angle PQR are equal. Now figure is given PQR. Draw the figure on your notebook. Angles PQR, draw it, and we have to find P equal Q equal R value of these three. Solution. P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree because they are making straight line angles. Angle P plus angle P plus angle P. In place of Q we will write P. In place of R we can write P because these three angles are equal. 180 degree. Now 3P is equal to 180 degree. So value of P is 60 degree. Value of P is 60 degree. Q is 60 degree. R is 60 degree because these three are equal angles. Now B part. Angle P degree is equal to 2R degree and Q equal 3R degree. B part, we have to find PQR. Solution is P equal 2R degree, Q equal 3R degree given. P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree straight line angle. In place of P we will put 2R degree. Then in place of Q we will put 3R degree. In place of R 180 degree because values are given. 6R added equal to 180 degree, R is equal to 30 degree, R is equal to 30 degree. Now P degree is equal to 2R degree is equal to 2 multiply 30 degree 60 degree, 3R degree 3 multiply 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. R, P, Q, value of these are answered. Now question number 20, second part. From the figure, find the value of ABC. Here ABC, three angles, we have to find value. B is given A plus C, C is given 2A. Let us start. Draw the figure ABC. These three angles are given. And B is equal to A plus C and C is equal to 2A given. From figure, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees straight line angles. In place of A as it is. In place of B, A plus C here given. In place of C, 2A given, 180 degree. Substitute these values. Now add this all. 6A is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 180 by 6, 30 degree. Value of A is 30 degree. Now find the value of B and C. A is 30, B is A plus C. In place of C, put 2A. Here is given. In place of C, put 2A. 3, it becomes 3A. 3 multiply 30 equal to 90 degree. Now C, 2A. 2 multiply 30, 60 degree. ABC value is 30, 90, 60. These three are answer. First, second, third. Now B part, find B if B is equal to 2 into A plus C. In this case also A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree straight line angles. In place of A as it is B, put the value 2A plus C is equal to 180 degree. Now open the bracket. A 2A plus 2C plus C is equal to 180 degree. 3A, these two become 3A, these two become 3C, 180 degree. A plus C is equal to 3 become denominator, 60 degree. B is equal to 2 into A plus C. B is equal to 2 into 60 degree because both A plus C value is equal to 60 degree. 120 degree answer. Now next question, question number 21. Find K in each of the given figure. One figure is this given, one figure is this. In this case we will find, first of all we know that whole angle is equal to 360 degree. Then we will find the value of K. In this case also whole angle is equal to 360 degree. Then we will find the value of K. Let us start. First of all, draw the figure. Add these all angles. 3K minus 25 plus 30 plus 90 plus 2K plus 80 is equal to 360 degree. Angles about a point. 1 point K around one whole angle, or you can write whole angle. 5K. First of all add the same terms 5K, then add the constant 175 is equal to 360 degree. 5K is equal to 185 degree. K is equal to, cut it, 37 degree. Now value of K is 37 degree. Now second part, all the angles are given. 2K plus 2K plus 3K plus 45, 360 degree. Angles about a point or whole angles. This become all K. 7K plus 45, 360 degree. 7K, 360 minus 45, 7K, 315. K is equal to 45 degree answer. Let us start our next question, 22. In this case, in the given figure, line PQ, MN, RS intersect at O. These three lines intersect at O. And x is to y is equal to 1 is to 3 given. Ratio of x and y is 1 is to 3 given. Z value is 120 given. Find ROM and POQ. ROM, POR. These two angles you have to find. Let us start. First of all, draw the figure. Whole angle 360 degree you know, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now x is to y 1 is to 3 given. Z is equal to 120 given. Now angle ROM and POR. Angles ROM and POR you have to find. MOQ, first of all, whatever angles not given we will find. MOQ, this angle. This angle is equal to Z. And SON, this angle is equal to Y. And POR, this angle is equal to, in front of this, X. So we will write this vertically opposite angles. These three are given. 3 we will find vertically opposite angle. Now add all these angles is equal to 360 degree. Now put the value y, z, x, y, z, x. Now all angles are 2 times x, 2 times y, 2 times z is equal to 360 degree. Reason is whole angles. Next is 2 is common, 360 degree, cut it, it become 180 degree. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Now ratio is given, x is to y 1 is to 3, and value of z is also given. We will take it, x is equal to, let x is equal to 1a and y is equal to 3a. Now put the value 1a plus 3a plus 120, x, y, z 180 degree. 4a is equal to 60 degree, a is equal to 15 degree. Now value of a you have, value of x is 1a, 15 degree, value of y 3a, 45 degree, value of z is given 120 degree. Now you have all the angles. Now ROM is equal to y. In figure you can see ROM is equal to y, and value of y is 45 degree. POR is equal to x. You can see POR in front of this x, and value of x is 15 degree. These two are answers. Now question number 23. In the adjoining figure, line AB and CD intersect each other at point O and EOD 90 degree. Find the XYZ. This angle is 90 degree. All angles are given and you have to find XYZ. Let us start. Draw the figure in your notebook. First of all, value of Z is x plus 90 degree vertically opposite angle. Value of y is 2x vertically opposite angle. These two angles you can find first of all vertically. Now all angles write down. 2x plus 90 plus x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. Whole angles. Add in place of these x, y, z we will substitute the value. 2x plus 90 degree plus x in place of y, 2x in place of z, x plus 90 degree, 360 degree. It become 6x plus 180 degree, 360 degree. 6x is equal to minus 180 degree and x is equal to 30 degree. Now y is equal to 2x, 60 degree, z is equal to x plus 90, 30 plus 90, 120 degree. Homework: revise question 19 to 23, exercise 13.2. Thank you.